Welcome to this instructional tutorial and review of the bicycle vibration and displacement alarm. Okay, so let's take a look at the box. Okay, so let's open the box. Okay, so here is the remote control. And here's the alarm. So I'm going to pull this out. This should activate it. Let's see what else is included. Here's the instruction manual. Here's some double-sided stick pads to mount it. Comes with two. Here is a pry tool, a precision head Phillips screwdriver, and some cable ties. So let's see how this works. Let's take a look at the manual. Okay, now to activate the alarm, you press this button right here, and you're going to hear a sound, and then it's going to beep after 5 seconds, and then it is set. Okay, now the alarm is set, so if it vibrates or if it's moved in any way, it's going to go off. Now to disable the alarm, you press this button right here, and you're going to hear a sound. And now the alarm is disabled. Now, the default is set to the highest sensitivity. Now, you can also do a sensitivity adjustment. And it shows you here how to do that. You just have to press and hold down this button here, and then there's a few other sequences that you have to go through to change the sensitivity. The sensitivity is set to the highest as a default, as it is now, out of the box. So you're going to get the highest sensitivity as far as the alarm is concerned. So you really have to adjust it based on your preferences when you set it up on your bike. Set it to what works best for you. Okay, now you can also set the tones. You have 6 different tones. So you press this button right here to select the tones. Okay. So you basically have 2 ways to mount this on your bike. 2 loops over here where you can put one cable tie, and 2 loops over here to put the other cable tie through. And another way to do it would be to use the double-sided stick pads right here. As you can see, there are 2 indentations over here, so you can put 1 stick pad here, and you can put 1 stick pad here, and then you can mount it on a flat surface on your bicycle. So that's another way of mounting it. So there you have it. This was an instructional tutorial and review of the bicycle vibration and displacement alarm. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.